Finding the perfect home has never been easier with my free KW Real Estate app. You'll get the most accurate real estate information that you won't find on any other app. Simply target an area by drawing a circle or dropping a pinpoint. Search for property types with ease and see inside your dream home with full screen photos and property details. It will even show you the prices of all the homes nearest your current location. You can also estimate your home loans with a mortgage calculator. Just visit your app store today to download the free KW Real Estate app. Then search my name and add me as your agent so you can easily stay up to date with any new announcements and listings. Download the app and search for Victoria or David Ranck, or go to victoriaranck.com/mobile-app. Get started finding your dream home today.